Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quick glitch effect inside Adobe After Effects. First of all, thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. Let's get started. So, I've got two clips of Tony Stark here. Before we start, make sure you pre-compose both layers. Next, create an adjustment layer. Move to the point where you want the transition to start. For me, that's around 20 frames into the first clip. Press Command plus Shift plus D to split. Then, move to about 30 frames into the second clip and press Command plus Shift plus D again. Go ahead and delete the extra part. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Glitchify effect. If you don't already have it, no worries. I've included the download link in the description for both Mac and Windows. Next, go to the start of your adjustment layer, open the Effect Controls panel, and set the Glitchify amount to 0. Add a keyframe here. Then, move to the start of the second clip and add another keyframe, but this time increase the Glitchify amount to somewhere between 40 and 60. Now, just a few frames later, adjust the values. Maybe set it to 5, then 20, just to keep the glitch alive a little longer. Finally, at the end of the adjustment layer, bring the Glitchify amount back down to 0. Don't forget to select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them for smoother animation. And that's it. You've got yourself a clean Glitchify transition. Add your glitch sound effects and color correction to polish it up, and you're done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more After Effects tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.